Andy Lau is a Hong Kong actor, singer, songwriter and film producer. In February 2021, Lau and Tony Leung team up in a new major action movie titled Goldfinger, backed by Emperor Motion Pictures and mainland Chinese partners with a reported budget of around 30.8 million. He was born in Tai Po in the New Territories of Hong Kong on September 27, 1961. He was named as Lau Fook-Wing at the time of his birth but later got it changed to Andy Lau Tak-Wah. He was the fourth child of the family. He has 3 elder sisters, 1 younger sister and a younger brother named Lau Tak-sing. His family was considered to be wealthy as his grandfather was a landowner, but his father left with him to the slums of Diamond Hill when he was 6, where the area was full of wooden houses and was burned down when he was 11. As a young boy, Lau had to fetch water for his family up to 8 times a day because their house was not equipped with plumbing. He graduated from a Band 1 secondary school, Ho Lap College in San Pokong, Kowloon. In 2008, Lau married Malaysian Chinese Carol Chu after 24 years of speculation over their relationship. Both are vegetarian and devout Buddhist. The couple married in Las Vegas. On 9 May 2012, Chu gave birth to their first child, a daughter, Hannah. He has been one of Hong Kong's most commercially successful film actors since the mid-1980s, performing in more than 160 films while maintaining a successful singing career at the same time. In the 1990s, Lau was branded by the media as one of the 4 heavenly kings of Cantopop and was named as 4th tiger among the 5 tiger generals of TVB during the 1980s. Lau was entered into the Guinness World Records for the most hours won by a Cantopop male artist. He holds the Guinness World Records for the most hours won by a Cantopop male artist. Lau is more than just a face in Hong Kong entertainment industry. He is one of the greatest Hong Kong stars. By April 2000, he had already won an unprecedented total of 292 awards. Lau also holds numerous film acting awards, having won the Hong Kong Film Award for Best Actor 3 times and the Golden Horse Award for Best Leading Actor twice. In 2007, he received the Nielsen Box Office Star of Asia award by the Nielsen Company. On 25 June 2018, Lau was invited to be a member of the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. Andy Lau, like every star in Hong Kong, ended up being a singer. In 1985, he released his first album Only Know That I Still Love You, which didn't make a great success. He bounced back with his smash hit album Would It Be Possible? It won the Platinum Disc Award thrice. In 1988, he resolved his legal issues with TVB but remained focused on cinema. In 1991, he founded his own production company. Teamwork Production and Savior of the Soul was the first film made under it. Despite his growing celebrity status, Lau experienced a dark phase in his career. In 1986, TVB channel wanted him to sign for another 5 years, which Lau declined. As a result, TVB boycotted him from the television for months. This is when Lau shifted his focus towards cinema.